I am thrilled to greet you all this morning at the second staging of the exhilarating Dragon Boat Festival here in Jamaica.
I'm Johan Williams from iPrint Group of Companies, and we're competing in the Dragon Boat.
Wow, good luck, yeah? Eva.
Number 4's got less people. But they got less people, them still doing good, man.